What's up, tubers? We're back with another What's in the Box video. Today we're working with the 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS 2-in-1, brought to us by Revell. It's a skill level 4, 1/24 scale. Box says it has 102 parts in it. We're going to go ahead and take a look at them here in a second. You can see the artwork on the box of the stock build, it looks like. Again, it says it's a 2-in-1. We're going to take that off and take a look at what's in it and where the 2-in-1 comes from, other than just the wheel choices, I'm thinking. Right away, you can see it's a typical Revell build sheet. Nicely detailed and laid out. Tells you what to glue, what not to glue. They also give you decal placement and color choices. The decal sheet looks nice and clean. You have your emblem clusters and lights and, or not emblem, excuse me, instrument cluster, emblems, lights, different pinstriping options, side markers. Looks like glass trim maybe for the, I'm not sure what that's for, but we'll find out. So let's go ahead and set that back here aside, and right away we'll get into the body. Nice crisp, clean plastic. It's got some little lines here and there, but actually I believe that's maybe part of the tonneau cover. I'm not sure. Google will help and tell me what it's supposed to look like, but it doesn't matter because this one is going to go in my lowrider collection I'm working on. This one also has, when we get into it, has some donk style wheels, so that'll look pretty cool. The body looks good, looks nice and clean, as well as the chassis. Looks nice and solid. The suspension is built separately, so that'll pull out the details and difference nice. The seat backs, it's got a little ashtray. Cars had ashtrays all over the place. The motor halves. Here's the detailed instrument cluster if you wanted to toothpick paint it yourself. Looks pretty good. Pulley system, fans, wheels. So wheel backs over here, probably for, I mean, maybe both wheels fit. We'll get into that in a second. And then here's a nice dual exhaust, separate mold, so you can paint that up in a nice separate color and it will come out pretty clean. Other suspension, drivetrain, suspension components. Nice big clean hood. Again, the plastic looks really good in this. And then last piece of white, there's the interior tub, which, you know, has that cool carpeted look. This will also paint up pretty well with some different details. And then here's that nose for the Monte Carlo for this year, or this style, which, you know, just like the El Caminos, that was usually a fiberglass piece and just a little oxidized. But that won't be the case of mine because it's going to be a blinged out low. Another seat option, or no, that's, sorry, my bad, wrong kit. One seat. Oh, separate door panels though. So you could really color those up, detail it, and then they just go in separately. So that's kind of neat. The clear parts, again with monogram and Revell. I love it when they do this, when they put the window trim, the black around it already. It just looks so much better than anything I can do with a Sharpie. And then some clear headlight lenses. It always looks better than painted white. And some red taillight lenses, as well as, not sure what, oh, that's the third eye, the third brake light. Very cool. And then we'll go, last but not least, into the wheels and tire options. So it comes with 4 of these nice rubber, no-name, super low-profile donk style, and 4 of your you know, general stock style wheels. I won't be using those, it'll go in the diorama display. But the rims are a nice OEM look. Oh, chrome air cleaner. And then there it is. It's got the nice clean intake, chrome master cylinder. Ooh, wow. Okay. Okay. There's some extra parts on this one for sure. But there's those big donk wheels and then the stock wheels. So that will be the option that I'm going for with this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. With the paint I've chosen, that's going to look really cool. So that about does it for what's in the box for the 86 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS 2-in-1 by Revell. Hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments what you see or didn't hear or what you'd like to hear in the future. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.